The daily life of a seagull. As the school children leave, the seagulls begin their feast. This one's eating discarded Cheetos. This one stole a whole sandwich. This is a seagull. No, wait, that's a crow. Switch the footage. The Cheez-Its don't fit into this seagull's diet. Poor Cheez-Its. Gulls or seagulls are of the family Loridae in the suborder Lori. These seagulls are chasing each other around the basketball court. Look how adorable this seagull is, but there are consequences to its adorableness. Seagulls fly in flocks called flocks of seagulls. Seagulls fly. You want to have more to that? Like more detailed? Seagulls fly with their wings. Oh, come on. What a fun video, kids. But in all seriousness, don't feed the seagulls. It's really bad for their health.